everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at the Aussie dollar. Now, I chose this pair because there's a very nice configuration actually on the 1 hour chart. All right, and without wasting further time, let's quickly dive in. So, let's start off with the daily. We see that the daily price has sort of made this sort of push up and is coming back down to test this graphical overlap. Right, so let's just put a support level over there, and I'll call this the graphical overlap. Okay, so this can be our daily support. Now, of course, if price fails to break below and instead price comes back up, I'm thinking there would be a swing at least up towards this resistance here, the last swing high. Right, so something like that on the daily. Okay, let's quickly go down to the 4 hour. Now, on the 4 hour, the picture then becomes a lot clearer, right? I just want to focus on this area first. Okay, we see that price pushed up and is sort of in a sideways motion. Very easily, this is a channel, right? A range. Okay, and we can see that if we were to take a zigzag extension, all right, and look at 100%. Okay, especially without the spike, all right, without the spike, we will actually get to see that price is actually really within this channel here, something like that. Okay, this is a very nice channel, something like that. Okay, so we want to play the range inside here, right? I want to play the range inside here, and since daily we're already bullish, actually on the intraday we can play to the top of the range. All right, so of course our target will be somewhere over here, right? Okay, and very quickly let's go down to the 1 hour just to tidy things up. Okay, let me just tidy the chart up for you. Okay, something like that, right? We actually see that if we're the price making this sort of zigzag, so we can actually use Fibonacci extension, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and we see that 100% actually lines up right at the top of this channel. Okay, so it's a very clear cut, and even the daily resistance that we saw, the last swing high, is quite close to the 127.2. Okay, so we can use this as sort of a resistance zone. Right, so I'm expecting price to actually make a push up towards this level, all right, intraday. Okay, and possibly even towards here on the daily. So what I have to do, what then I will do is I'll actually use a retracement of this small push up, 0.1 to 0.2, open all Fibonacci ratios. Okay, and 50% looks like a nice level for an entry. Okay, because there's a graphical spike over there. All right, so there's a 50%. And of course, if we were to look carefully, there's the negative 27, which is also at this graphical overlap. All right, so I want to highlight the 50% and the negative 27. Okay, it will look something like that. And I'll back this up as my stop loss slightly outside the channel. Okay. So I have two take profits. Okay, this will be the intraday take profit, and this will be the partial take profit. All right, and so how this works is really I'm going to play all the way to the top of the range. It's really just a intraday sort of trade. Now I'll buy over here on the pullback, okay, and once price reaches the take profit partial, I'll close out about 50 to 75% of my account, move my stop loss, okay, move my stop loss to break even somewhere over here to protect, okay, and let the remaining 25% of the position right all the way to the top. Now, even if price were to come back and take me out, okay, I do not have to worry because I'll have already taken a huge chunk of profits here. Okay, so very quickly, it is a very short, very simple, but very clear video because the probability is there. And I think this makes a very nice intraday trade. So thanks everyone for tuning in. I hope this video has been helpful, especially when watching such chart patterns as channels. Okay, and I hope that you guys have managed to learn something also about trade management. So take care and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you.